Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today, we are going to explore something super exciting and brand new, that is the face sensing extension in Scratch. Have you ever imagined your Scratch project reacting to your face? With this face sensing extension, Scratch can use your webcam to detect your face position, your facial expression, movement, and direction of your face. With the help of this extension, you can create multiple AI based Scratch projects and you will learn how the computer sends and responds to human. So, are you ready to make characters that follow your face? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends to learn more fun coding, Scratch, and AI projects with us. So let's plug in it, explore the blocks, and start creating. So now we are going to discuss about what is this face sensing extension and how the each block in the face sensing extension will work. Here, if we talk about the face sensing extension, it detects the facial expression, and on the basis of that, you can give the command to your sprite and control your game and animation. So definitely while we use the face sensing, we need internet connection. As you can see on screen, this Scratch is downloaded on my desktop. But here, if I'll just open the extension of it, you will not see the face sensing extension over here. Why it is happen? Because for the face sensing extension, we need to go to web browser and where we need to search the Scratch, and then afterwards we need to find out the face sensing extension, because the face sensing extension uses cloud based AI models, and this extension need internet to load, run, or analyze the face data in real time. And that is why when you want to make some project on the basis of your face expression, you need to make your project online. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will go to Google, and here I will type Scratch. Okay, and I'll search for Scratch, and this is the first option. I will click on it. Okay, and now I just click on create. Yes, you can see my screen is open over here, and in this I will going to add the extension, that is face sensing. So for that I will go to add extension, and here you can see the face sensing extension senses face with the camera. Okay, so we'll take this extension. Okay, and you can see automatically it start loading because it need internet to load, run, and analyze face data, and that is why we can't be work on our downloaded Scratch. Now I will show you how all these block will work. As you can see, still my camera is not showing. When we use this face extension, our camera should be on. For that, what we are going to do, I will go to this view site information, and in this I will check the camera permission, and here I'll choose the camera. Okay, you can see my camera is on right now. Okay, so we just click on cross, and okay, you can see my camera on screen. One by one, I will show you how each block belongs to the face extension will work. Okay, like first you will see it's mentioned go to nose. And if I'll just click on this block, you will see the effect. You can see how the cat come in front of my nose. Yes. And here there are multiple face parts are mentioned like mouth, left eye, right eye, between eyes, left ear, right ear, and top of the head. Do you want to see the effect? Like first I will select on mouth. Okay. And now I just click on this block. See. Do you want to see again? Left eye. Okay. And right eye. Okay. Then between eyes. Okay. Perfect. And then left ear. And then right ear. Okay. And the last top of the head. Perfect. You can see how amazingly this extension will work and detect all the face parts very effectively. Now we'll see how the another block will work. That is called point in direction of face tilt. Like where you will tilt your face, according to that it will tilt the sprite. Do you want to see the effect? Now first I will tilt my face to right side. You can see the sprite is also tilting in the same direction, and if I will tilt to the left side, according to that sprite is also tilt. Amazing, right? Okay, now we'll see the next block, that is set size to face size. What is the mean of that? What is your face size is recognized on screen. According to that, your sprite size is also changed. Like here, if I just click on this block, according to my face size is saw on screen, the sprite size is also get changed. Do you want to see the effect? Okay, you can see the sprite size become big. Now I'll move little far from the camera and then you will see the effect. Okay, I'll move back myself and then if I'll click on this block, okay, you can see the sprite size become small, right? On the basis of your face size is detected on screen, the sprite size is also get changed. It's really interesting, right? Okay. Now we'll see the another block. You can see it's mentioned when your face tilt either left or right. According to that, you will give the command to your sprite. Like here, first I will show you the drop down. It mentioned two options, left and right. Now for the left we'll give one action and for the right also we'll give one action. Like here left and I will select right here. Okay, and now I will go to looks and here for left I'm going to say hello, and for next I want the cat should change its costume. Okay, let's try. First I just click on turn left, it say hello, and now I'll tilt my face right, it changes costume, right? You can see it's saying hello because we have not mentioned for 2 seconds or something. If you want to do so you can check it, like here I will mention it, say hello for 2 seconds. Now okay, next you can see it's changing only for 2 seconds, it say hello. And now if you want to change costume back to the previous one, for that also you can mention the timer. Like here I will use wait for 1 second and again going to use the next costume. Okay, now you'll see the effect again, hello, and for here the costume change for only 1 second, right? So do you understand the effect of this block? Okay, now we'll go to another block belongs to the face sensing extension. Okay, now you can see the block when this sprite touch your face part, like nose, right ear, left ear, eye, mouth, same which I have already show you on this go to nose. Here also we have drop down and all the parts of your face are present over here, and on the basis of that you will give the command to your sprite. Suppose you want to give the command when the sprite touch to the nose, this thing happen, when the sprite touch to the mouth, this thing happen. So you can give different command, according to that your game or animation will work. Okay, like here when the sprite touch to the nose, so here like I will make it sprite in this position and I will make its size 100. Okay, and now when it touch to the nose I want it play sound meow. Okay, now you'll see the effect, right? It's quite interesting, right? Okay, So you can give the different command and you will enjoy your game. And the next block belongs to the face sensing. Here it is when a face is detected. Here not only one character face you can use, even more than one players can play or make the game on the basis of their face detection. It means there is a possibility more than one face can be detected on the screen, and according to that different actions, different commands you can give to your game. Okay, like when the face detected, then what kind of the actions you want to do, and when the face is not detected, do you want to stop the game or do you want to pause the game? That thing also you can set. For that you can add one more extension, that is video sensing. Like here if I'll add the video sensing, why my screen is look blur, because you can see here the video transparency is set to 50. Due to that now my video transparency is 50. Okay, so first when the flag click, I want my video on. For that I will use this video sensing block, turn my video on, and here I will make the transparency set to 0. Now just click on the green flag and you will see the effect. It's completely clear. And here if in any game you don't want to show your face but you want to use the face sensing, for that what you can do, you mention transparency 100%. Now if I click, my video is on but video transparency is 100. Due to that my face will not visible on screen but camera is on, so the sprite detect the face sensing and your game will working accordingly. Okay, so see the effect. My camera is on but my face is not visible on screen. Like if I'll make it 90 and then I click on the green flag, okay, quite blur image you can see on screen. Now when the face is detected, you can give the command, like any command you can give. Here you can mention looks and say hello for 2 seconds, and if I'll click, because it detect the face, now I'll make it camera off. So when the face is detected, what kind of the function will perform, it will show accordingly. Okay, now we'll move to the next face sensing block, that is a face is detected. It means it shows like a boolean effect, true or false, face is detected or not. Like I just click here, you can see it shows true. It means the face is detected. Now if the face is not detected, it will show false. So on the basis of that you will get the boolean conditions true or false. So according to that you can give the command. And the next one is face tilt and face size. To show the effect of this block, I will on my camera. Okay, I just click on the green flag and you can see the transparency is 90. That's why the screen look blur. I will make it 0. And now I just click on green flag. Okay, and now what I want to show the face tiltness and the face size. If I just click on this check-in box, so you will see the face tilt position it's showing. If my face is fully straight, it show 90, and if I'll move to left side, it will decrease the value like this, and if I tilt my face to the right side, it will increase the value. So it will represent how much your face is tilt in which direction, left or right. Okay, and the same thing happen with the face size. So if I'll click on this checkbox, you can see it show the face size. If I'll move quite far, so you can see the face size is become small, and if I come too closer, the face size is increased. So according to that, you can give the command to your sprite and it will work accordingly. Now I'll turn my video off. Okay. So these are the blocks belongs to the face sensing. Like you can select any part of the face like mouth, nose, eyes, ear, head, and it also detect the face tilting, face size, and according to that you can give the command to your sprite. Here more than one face also get detected and more than one player is also make the project and they can create the game and play. So this extension is really an amazing extension on which you no need to use the keyboard and mouse to control your sprite and play your game. Instead of that, you can use your facial expression, and on the basis of that you can control your sprite and enjoy your game. To turn on and off your video, you can use the video sensing, and on the basis of that, if you want to show your face on screen, you can, or if you don't want, that also you can. I hope you like and understand this video. In the further video, definitely we'll make amazing project by using face sensing extension. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.